Good evening and welcome to today's video. On today's video, we're going to be putting up LED lights. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna record this, my first time doing it. So we'll see how it comes out. So the goal is to get lights all the way around the ceiling and behind his desk here. So that's gonna be the goal for today. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna be the lights I'm gonna be using are these here. I got little clamps I got from Amazon, and I got 2 boxes of the lights here. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing. And we're gonna go from there. All right, let's go. All right, so for where I want to start at is actually to be right here. That's where I want to start at, and then from there, kind of just go all the way around and do it that way. So hopefully it'll come out good. Probably put this on the ceiling like that, and then run the cable. Put this on the ceiling like that, and then run the cable that way. Yeah, let's do that then. So up in the ceiling, and then run the cable across. Cool. So it has adhesive on the back over there. So all I gotta do is just peel it off and kind of just stick it to the wall. And after that, I'm gonna put some nails and screws, not screws, but probably just some nails, just to make sure that it stays up. But for now, just the adhesive and kind of go from there. After looking at the one up here and looking at this one here, actually the 12 on there is at the bottom. So instead of me using this end that's already made, I have to use this end here. Use this end, but actually I'm gonna cut it right there. So I can continue the circuit from there. So yeah, minor setback, but not really. And when you cut it, you gotta cut it right at that line there, right in the middle. Just like that, I hope. So it actually goes in like that, it goes underneath the clips. I didn't know that, but it goes underneath the clips. It doesn't go on top, it goes underneath. And then you just close it. Hold on. Yeah, you just close it there. Close that side. Now what I'm gonna do is I wanna test it out because I wanna make sure I got a good connection before I continue on from this point here, so. need an extension cord. Be right back. Extension cord. So far, not good. What did I do wrong? Let me just look at it again. So it looked like I damaged it a little bit. I think that's what's going on. So I'm just gonna cut another end and try it again. I'm gonna try a different set this time, or a different one of these. So I'm not sure why it's not connecting correctly. Okay, so the clips I got, for some reason, are not working. I don't know, and I really don't have time to get more clips. So now I have to do it the hard way. I have to solder and solder the connections now. But gotta be done. Sucks. Okay, I kind of jumped ahead and didn't get to record, but so far, I got the lights up all the way around. I actually had to solder, but I had to solder them together because the clips I got, they just didn't work for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me finish up.